In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose icons and apply a glass drop shadow effect. We'll start by setting up the icon you want to style. On the left side, you can choose the icons that you want. Take a moment to browse through the categories or use the search field to find a shape that fits your project's tone, whether it's a simple outline for a minimal look or a filled icon for something bolder. When you click an icon in the left panel, it will appear on your canvas, ready to be styled. If you're working with multiple icons, pick one first so you can clearly see how the effect looks before applying it to the rest. Now shift your attention to the panel on the right side of your screen. This is where styling options live, including effects. With your icon selected, look for effects and click on the plus sign beside effects on the right side. That plus button is your gateway to all the visual treatments you can add, and it ensures the effect attaches to the icon you're working on rather than the entire canvas. A menu will appear with categories you can expand. Go ahead and click Drop Down, Drop Shadow. This reveals the shadow styles that are available for quick application. Drop shadows help separate your icon from the background, adding depth and clarity, which is especially helpful if your icon sits on a busy image or a colorful gradient. From the list, click on Glass. The glass option applies a refined, translucent shadow that feels modern and polished, almost like your icon is floating in front of frosted glass. It's a subtle way to add dimension without making the design heavy. The effect typically softens the edges and blends with whatever is behind your icon, so it looks clean on light backgrounds and striking on darker ones. If the change isn't immediately visible, double check that the icon is selected before you apply the effect. Also, make sure no other layer is covering it, as that can obscure the result. After clicking glass, take a second to zoom in and out to see how the shadow reads at different sizes. At normal viewing distance, you should notice a gentle lift that enhances readability and gives your icon a touch of sophistication. And that's it. You chose your icon from the left panel, click the plus sign beside Effects on the right, open the Drop Shadow drop-down, and clicked on Glass to finish the look. Save your work, and you're ready to carry the same styling across your other icons for a consistent professional finish.